love is on one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what it is. It's your girl Super Vixen here, the HVIC. Have Vixen in charge, and I'm back with another vlog. I was in a 5-day carnival cruise. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I'll link it below. It's a 2-part vlog. 5-day cruise to Cymone and Japan. I'm about to go back to the gym, which is where I'm headed, looking like this because I just left the gym. Today was leg day, y'all. I feel like every time I leave the gym on leg day, I be looking so bow-legged. I just be walking like a sumo wrestler for real. Cool, and as y'all can see, I'm still out of breath. What's the name? So I want to go to McDonald's and get me a large Sprite. But I'd be so long if I did that, right? So I'm gonna go home and make a smoothie. Y'all, I just left the gym. I'm like looking so hit. We did an ab circuit today. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so tired. Hey y'all, today is Friday. I am out shopping for a dress for tomorrow, which is the bridal shower. And I'm a bridesmaid, y'all. But right now I'm eating some Popeyes. I got an 8-piece nugget, a biscuit, some Mardi Gras sauce, sweet heat, and I got my red beans and rice. So when I get done eating, we're gonna go in the store and get some dresses and all that stuff, and yeah. Okay, y'all, today is, oh, let me go. Oh, shit. Today is Saturday, and I'm about to walk into the bridal shower. Okay, with Taylor, we have Coretta Scott King.
Not Coretta Scott. So, you know, I had,
we got Real Housewives.
the treats, right?
Oh, you are giving Kenya.
Squirrel, baby.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friends. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
Can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind down, try what you say. What you say? It's that way. Try back if it's gon' crazy. See what you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, it's just to press my issue, yeah. Ain't been putting up with me long enough, it must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walking back it up, you can't let go. You said you treat me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that.
Hey babes, what is up? Today is Monday. I know y'all tired of seeing me looking raggedy on this here camera, but so I'm gonna go take some pictures today for my business. Claps.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna see you dropping.
Haven't already seen how I made this wig, which we about to get together in just 1 second when I park, then go watch that video. I mean, like, y'all, take a chance to revive your old bundles and put them to use. Like, I don't get why you wouldn't watch the video. And today, what we did was a content collab with, I will insert the YouTube channel here. So y'all go watch that video. I will link it if it's posted in time. If not, then hey. All right, y'all, we're at Mary.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. In a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the flash, man, a cheesecake, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on.
Hey y'all, so it is Saturday. I'm at the Rainbow Lodge for my friend's birthday dinner. I'm about to put my lashes on, the same ones from yesterday. I'm having a sale, so take advantage. And this is the box they come in. They're the 25 millimeter, I believe they're 22 millimeter eco mink lashes. So